Where flippin' heck am I meant to sit?
On my right here.
No, you sit there.
Me?
Yeah.
And then where do you sit?
Well, where you're sitting.
Okay.
You dingus.
Relax. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a PR unboxing.
Yay! Today I'm doing a PR unboxing haul because I just got back from America on Tuesday and now it's Sunday, and it took all of my willpower not to open these as soon as I got home because it looks like Christmas. It's not that, well, it is for me a lot.
It's no tarty recipe.
Yeah, it's not tarty or Shanaxo, but it'll do, it'll be okay.
I would have loved more packages, but
Why did you? One of them I've already opened, so I'm gonna open that first because that one just came yesterday and I forgot that I didn't want to open it.
more.
And I was really curious. So my first one, I don't know why you guys are here actually. I just wanted them involved because videos with my sisters get more views, so.
Oh. Don't start this.
Clickbait queen.
It's not clickbait,
My
it's
story.
true. Oh my god!
This package got delivered to my house, hand delivered, because it doesn't have a like an address on it, and then it has a handwritten note from Kelly on it, who does the PR from Lancome, and she's amazing. She's my favorite lady. I got some Genifique, which I love. If you haven't tried Lancome's Genifique,
Do it now!
yeah,
I'm wearing it.
we all love it. And then the most important and exciting thing, let me show you guys. I got a lipstick and it's engraved.
What if your vagina's showing this whole time?
Yeah, I know, I actually did think that. With my initials. That is
Me.
so cute.
My initials are A-J-E.
Oh.
Mine's J-E. How boring is that?
Puggles.
You know
J-E, I've never thought of that.
J. You know A-J-E, the brand? That's my initials.
I wonder how you pronounce that, I always wonder.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, the next one is from Frank. I can tell by the packaging and because it says Frank on it.
They have the cutest packaging ever.
Yeah, I just opened it
Little
like a
hot
silly
dogs.
person.
I wish they sold like stickers, like the stickers that they use. I want to buy them.
Yeah, they're so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So that's a hair duo. I've seen this all over Instagram and I
We're
didn't
gonna make a
realize.
video covering my dog.
Shut up! Do you not realise how annoying it is when you're filming something and Annie is just talking over you? It's so typical.
Maddie doesn't
Annie.
care.
It's like everything else is white noise except for her own voice.
I just cut every single thing Annie says out. So a scalp scrub and a hair mask, which is really exciting because I've actually been trying to take care of my hair lately.
Oh, I know what it is.
You know what this is? Really?
Me
Huh?
and Mum checked what we didn't look at it. Oh no, we did.
Oh, it's skin. Moisturizing lotion from CeraVe. And a long note. So this must be this brand looking that I have shit skin and sending me this, which is really nice. I love when it's like personalized, you know? There's like PR send outs where they just send stuff to everyone on their PR list and then other people see, oh yeah, this bitch needs help, look at her skin. We'll send her something. So that's really nice. You said Rody stinks, I think it's you.
I think it's my delicious Rodies.
It Cosmetics.
Ooh. I thought it was Lancome.
Nice fancy packaging. A long note that's handwritten. That's so
Annie,
nice.
sit down.
No.
Oh my god, the It Cosmetics brush. I don't know if you guys have tried this, but it's amazing. Have you?
No.
It's so
I don't have
good.
anything from Ecosmetics.
Oh, It Cosmetics is amazing. Brow powder.
I feel like all the mums love It Cosmetics. So if you're a mum,
Mum?
It's in her pocket.
What this? Superhero mascara. This must be their like a fave.
Hold on, you to Mum. What about? Sally calls me a bitch. What did you call me? A stupid bitch face cow. And I texted Mum, Charlotte just called me a stupid bitch face cow.
What'd she say?
Why did she call you that?
Mom does not give a shit. Bye Bye Under Eye, which is my fave. CC cream, which is amazing. Actually, one of you guys can have this.
Yes, me. Aw.
Well,
Wait, you already have a CC
check
cream?
whose colour it is first, because I already have lots of the It Cosmetics
Please,
CC
me.
cream.
Please, me.
Bye Bye Pore
Honey,
powder.
shut up. You already have your La Roche-Posay.
Oh, guys, just freaking sort it out. Not right now. Oh, and Confidence in a Cream. This is meant to be incredible.
Whoa, you look like shit from down here.
I
know.
I like your eyebrows. Just
Thank
think
you.
this is way better now that they're like actually the same colour as her hair.
That's spongy though.
You look like the Hunchback of Notre Dame slapped on a bit of makeup right now.
I don't know what this is or who it's
Pillowcase?
That's so your
Oh my god, I
that
know
your
what
favourite?
this is. This is freaking Caliber Collection or whatever it is.
What's that?
That's that shit
like a
brand
year
on
ago.
Instagram.
Oh.
The worst brand in the world. If anyone ever sees like Caliber Collective or whatever it's called on Instagram, don't buy their stuff. I ordered this dress in August last year.
Before your birthday.
Before I went to Bali. It's probably not going to fit me and it's probably see-through and it feels like shit. Gross. Revlon. This is my first Revlon PR. That's so exciting. Whip it, Matt.
Oh, cute packaging.
Yeah, this is so. Ooh.
Oh, that's such nice shade. Oh my god, pretty.
Yeah, nice.
Can you not lie like that, Jessie? It's freaking annoying.
Oh, cute. I just saw this bag. Did I already see this bag? Oh, yeah, that's what the hair stuff in. I'm just getting weird.
I'm getting weird.
I'm just getting so weird. Oh, this one's for makeup.
This one matches me. I just put it on my makeup. I love you, chubby, chubby.
Oh, he's so.
He's like big.
Oh, Summer Fridays.
Oh, I touch that face.
Oh, R&R mask. I'm so excited because now I have all three.
Hey,
So excited about that. We should all multi-mask tonight on a Sunday night. We should do a mask.
I should have, because I'm having a rebirth tomorrow.
And I have 3 of those masks so we can put it on the areas that need it. I'm just going to put some shit on my face because it looks better than it does now. Lol.
You are getting weird. You're getting like so weird.
I'm
right
getting
now.
so weird.
No,
It's from BYS. Oh, there's a lot. A matte primer that looks like it's a spray. Oh, that's so cute. An eyeshadow palette, like pinks and purples. Blush, highlighter and bronzer. Berry on the go. You look like you did your eyeshadow with this palette. Oh, this bloom palette. Oh, that's really nice.
Really pretty.
I thought yourself said heck, but it says check.
Checked in.
Oh.
Where are you going, Emily?
Emily.
Where are you going, Emily?
Gotta watch Charlotte's football. Good night. I'm not playing footy yet.
Yeah, this is Lime Crime.
Oh my god!
Oh, I love Lime Crime.
I hope there's any of these blushes. They're so pretty.
Dropped my orchid. My orc.
That's so awkward.
Oh.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
They did send me.
In here, I have this Diamond Dew Liquid Glitter eyeshadow.
I was gonna buy that.
Wi-Fi blush.
Wi-Fi.
Oh my god, that's pretty.
I've never tried Lime Crime, by the way, so I don't know why I said that.
Is so edgy.
And then another lipstick, I think. Lip gloss.
Cooking tutorials really like that.
Oh, really?
I love the packaging.
Oh, that's really
That
nice.
is very cool.
It appears that pinks and purples are quite in right now.
Yeah.
Ooh, Benefit.
I'm not doing anything. Benefit.
3D brow tones. Oh my god, a pink one. I wanted this. Oh,
Pink
I saw
brows.
it. Yeah.
Pink brow.
Yeah. One more.
Last one, guys.
Annie, go away. You did this in my other thing as well.
What?
You just go really close to the camera and look at yourself and then put everyone else out of focus except for you. EYLURE London.
EYLURE. Isn't that an eyelash brand?
Yeah, sent me some lashes. They
Give me some of them.
Okay, that's it. That was really fun. So thank you to all of the brands that sent me stuff. That was really nice to come home to. Emily gives you the thumbs up. Emily gives everyone the thumbs up. So don't think you're special.
What is that? Called eczema.
Wish Charlotte luck for footy.
Wish Charlotte luck for not being Satan for the rest of her life.
You're ugly.
Oh no, wish Brody luck.
Push me into Emily's vagina.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next vid. Mwah.
Oh, all you can see is Brody and that's all that matters.
Oh wait, your guys' head's not.
I know, that's
Oh,
Yeah, I